Welcome to BarEl Software. In a moment, I'll demonstrate how to calculate index values and index performance between any two days or return on index between 2 points in time. Here is a question. Below is data that includes 5 constituents. Calculate index values and index performance between any 2 days or return on index between 2 points in time. There are 2 dates, 1 May 2020 and 2 May 2020. The stock names are A, B, C, D, E. There are 2 other columns, a column for stock prices and a column for number of shares included. Please watch and listen attentively how to go about it. First May, in order to be first May, in order to be first, let's just copy and paste. Stock prices. Best value is 100. One 55 60 8 20 19 450 40 250, 6, 65, 10, 20, 11, 10. Is 100 as the base value. The base value is 100. Let us copy and paste. Now let us have a look at the index value for the index value on 1st May. I see 5, 1, 2020. The divisor here is 7, so we're going to copy and paste 7 and paste it here. And now you can see that the index value for the period is 100. So on 1st May, the index value is 100. Let us see the index value on the 2nd May 2020. 5, 2, 2020. The index value was 7, and we're going to maintain. We're not going to get the value from this now. We're going to maintain the same index value, which is 7. Giving us the index value for the period on a 2nd May as 140. We remember that the ending period is 140, and the index value for the ending period is 140. We're comparing between these 2 days, 1st May and 2 May, to find the index performance between any 2 days, or return on a stock index between any 2 points in time. So it's 100, giving us a positive percentage. See, this is a point which indicates that the index increased. So the index increased between the 1st May 2020 and 2nd May 2020. Let us have a look at some of the reports. Let us export it on the desktop. We also have another one. Let us export it on desktop. Date, let us pick 1st May. Now let us have a look at these reports. You can see this is the report, and let us have a look at the other report. This is for 1st May only. For this was for the entire period for both 1st and 2nd May. Let us filter only filter only on 2nd. Anyway, thank you very much for watching and listening attentively.